Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I just created a new props. This is the AK47's 3D models, and now it exists as an iProps for your iClone 8 3D animation software. You can see this is an iProp. Whenever you want to use it, you can just drag it into your iClone 8 3D animation scene. So just drag and drop. Then you can just use this AK47's 3D model in your 3D animations. Right, that's all for today about my sharings of a new props that's created by me. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!